Welcome to our YouTube video on Diabetes Wellness Guide, essential tips for living well with diabetes. In this video, we will explore the importance of managing diabetes for overall health and provide valuable tips to help you live a fulfilling life while managing this condition. Living with diabetes can be challenging, but with the proper knowledge and support, you can take control of your health and well-being. It's essential to understand that managing diabetes is not just about controlling your blood sugar levels. It's about making lifestyle changes that can improve your overall quality of life. Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It requires careful management to prevent complications and maintain good health. By taking proactive steps to manage your diabetes, you can reduce the risk of developing severe health issues such as heart disease, kidney disease, and nerve damage. This video aims to provide practical tips and strategies to help you navigate the challenges of living with diabetes. We strive to empower you with the knowledge and tools you need to make informed decisions about your health and well-being. Whether you have recently been diagnosed with diabetes or have been living with the condition for years, this video is for you. We will cover various topics, including healthy eating, exercise, blood sugar monitoring, and stress management. Join us on this journey to better health and well-being as we explore essential tips for living well with diabetes. Stay tuned for valuable insights and practical advice to help you thrive while managing your diabetes. Understanding diabetes. Diabetes is a chronic condition affecting how your body processes glucose, a type of sugar that serves as a vital energy source. There are three main types of diabetes: type 1, type 2, and gestational. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune disease where the immune system attacks and destroys the insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. This results in a lack of insulin, the hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar levels. Type 1 diabetes typically develops in childhood or adolescence and requires lifelong insulin therapy. Type 2 diabetes is the most generic form of diabetes, accounting for around 90% of all cases. In type 2 diabetes, the body either becomes resistant to insulin or doesn't produce enough insulin to maintain normal blood sugar levels. This type of diabetes is often linked to lifestyle factors such as poor diet, lack of exercise, and obesity. Gestational diabetes occurs during pregnancy and usually resolves after childbirth. It is characterized by high blood sugar levels that can pose risks to the mother and the baby if improperly managed. Diabetes affects blood sugar levels by causing them to rise to unhealthy levels, leading to a range of complications such as heart disease, kidney damage, nerve damage, and vision problems. Monitoring blood sugar levels regularly and effectively managing diabetes through medication, diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes are crucial for preventing these complications and maintaining overall health. By understanding the basics of diabetes and its impact on the body, you can take proactive steps to manage your condition effectively and lead a healthy, fulfilling life. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on navigating the challenges of living with diabetes. Healthy eating habits. Maintaining a balanced diet is essential for managing diabetes and promoting overall health. By making smart food choices and practicing portion control, you can keep your blood sugar levels stable and reduce the risk of complications associated with diabetes. Portion control is vital to managing diabetes. By controlling your food intake, you can better regulate your blood sugar levels and prevent spikes and crashes. Aim to fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and a quarter with whole grains or starchy vegetables. Choosing nutrient-rich foods is crucial for a healthy diabetic diet. These foods provide essential nutrients and fiber, while helping to keep you full and satisfied. Plan your meals, focusing on various foods from different food groups. Include a mix of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats to help maintain steady blood sugar levels and provide sustained energy. For snacks, choose healthy options such as fresh fruit, nuts, yogurt, or whole grain crackers. These snacks can help keep hunger at bay between meals and prevent overeating. Carbohydrates play a significant role in managing diabetes, as they have the most significant impact on blood sugar levels. Choose complex carbohydrates such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables over refined carbohydrates like white bread and sugary snacks. Proteins and fats are also essential components of a diabetic diet. Include lean proteins such as poultry, fish, tofu, legumes, and healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. By focusing on portion control, nutrient-rich foods, meal planning, and balanced macronutrients, you can create a healthy eating plan that supports your diabetes management goals. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies to help you maintain a healthy lifestyle while living with diabetes. Physical activity offers a wide range of benefits for individuals with diabetes, from helping to control blood sugar levels to enhancing insulin sensitivity. and reducing the risk of complications. Physical activity helps lower blood sugar levels by promoting glucose uptake into the muscles, which can be used as fuel. Regular exercise also improves insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to regulate blood sugar levels more effectively. When choosing suitable physical activities for diabetics, it's essential to focus on a combination of aerobic exercise, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Aerobic activities such as walking, cycling, swimming, and dancing help improve cardiovascular health and burn calories. Strength training exercises, such as weightlifting or body weight exercises, can help build muscle mass and improve overall strength. Flexibility exercises like yoga or stretching can enhance mobility and reduce the risk of injury. To stay active and incorporate exercise into your daily routine, consider activities you enjoy and can easily fit into your schedule. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise per week, spread out over several days. By prioritizing physical activity and incorporating exercise into your daily routine, you can reap the numerous benefits of exercise for managing diabetes and promoting overall well-being. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies to help you lead an active and healthy lifestyle while living with diabetes. Monitoring and managing blood sugar levels. Monitoring and controlling blood sugar levels are essential to managing diabetes effectively and preventing complications. By staying vigilant and proactive in monitoring your blood glucose levels, you can make informed decisions about your treatment plan and lifestyle choices. Regular blood glucose monitoring is crucial for individuals with diabetes to track how their bodies respond to food, exercise, medications, and other factors. In addition to monitoring, managing blood sugar levels involves a combination of medications, insulin therapy, and lifestyle changes. Your healthcare provider may prescribe medications such as oral glucose, lowering drugs, or insulin injections to help regulate blood sugar levels. Lifestyle modifications, including adopting a healthy diet, engaging in regular physical activity, managing stress, and getting enough sleep, play a vital role in managing diabetes effectively. Interpreting blood sugar readings is an essential skill for individuals with diabetes. If your blood sugar levels are consistently high or low, it's crucial to take appropriate action, such as adjusting your medication dosage, modifying your diet, or seeking medical advice. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on how to manage your diabetes effectively and optimize your overall well-being. Emotional well-being and support. Living with diabetes can have a significant emotional impact on individuals, as managing a chronic condition can be challenging and overwhelming at times. It's essential to address the emotional aspects of diabetes and seek support to cope effectively with the psychological challenges that may arise. Seeking emotional support from healthcare professionals, such as therapists, counselors, or psychologists, can be beneficial for individuals struggling with the emotional burden of diabetes. These professionals can provide guidance, tools, and strategies to help you navigate the emotional challenges of managing diabetes and improve your overall well-being. In addition to professional support, connecting with others living with diabetes through support groups or online communities can offer a sense of camaraderie, understanding, and encouragement. Sharing experiences, tips, and resources with others facing similar challenges can help reduce feelings of isolation and provide a valuable support network. By addressing the emotional aspects of living with diabetes, seeking support, and implementing healthy coping strategies, you can enhance your emotional well-being and better manage the challenges of managing a chronic condition. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on prioritizing your emotional health while living with diabetes. Healthy eating habits are crucial in managing diabetes. They promote stable blood sugar levels and support overall health. By practicing portion control, choosing nutrient-rich foods, and meal planning, you can create a balanced diet that supports your diabetes management goals. Regular exercise is vital for individuals with diabetes, as it helps control blood sugar levels, enhance insulin sensitivity, and reduce the risk of complications. By incorporating a mix of aerobics, strength training, and flexibility exercises into your routine, you can reap the numerous benefits of physical activity. By regularly checking your blood glucose levels, taking medications as prescribed, and making lifestyle changes, you can keep your diabetes under control and prevent complications. Emotional well-being is critical to living with diabetes, as managing the psychological impact of the condition is just as important as managing the physical aspects. Seeking support from healthcare professionals and support groups, and practicing self-care strategies can help you cope with the emotional challenges of diabetes. We encourage you to take action by implementing the tips and strategies shared in this video to enhance your diabetes management and well-being. Remember, you are not alone in this journey, and there are resources and support available to help you thrive while living with diabetes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more diabetes management tips, resources, and support. Thank you for reading, and we wish you success on your journey to living well with diabetes.